Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to check your IP address with the Onn TV. So let's get straight into it.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
You're going to toggle on to your home screen just like I've done and go to quick settings. From quick settings, you will navigate to all settings with that button at the top right. Then go down to system. As you've clicked on system, head over to about. Now under about, you find the option that says way below status. So click on status and you have your IP address right there. You copy this number, you will type it out and use it for the purposes that it serves you. Your IP address is extremely important, and make sure you are very privy to the different marks, lower uppercase letters, the numbers. Make sure you extract the exact IP address, look at the indentations and the periods. When you use a number, you'll be successful because this is the IP address of this device. So if you found that insightful, if it was noteworthy, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video content like this.